Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of drones. We will be comparing the Holy Stone HS440 drone and the Ruko F11GIM2 drone. Let's dive right in and see which drone comes out on top in various categories. When it comes to capturing stunning aerial footage, a high-quality camera is essential. The Holy Stone HS440 drone features a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera with a 112 degrees wide-angle lens. This allows you to capture every wonderful moment from a bird's-eye perspective. Whether you're shooting at a deserted beach or a fun family reunion, the hydrogen sulfide can handle it all. When it comes to flight time, longer is always better. The Holy Stone HS440 drone offers an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes with its powerful modular battery. This allows you to capture and explore more of your surroundings without constantly worrying about recharging. Portability is a crucial factor to consider, especially if you plan on taking your drone on the go. The Holy Stone HS440 drone offers complete freedom with its intuitive and advanced features packed in a foldable frame. It even comes with a carrying case, making it easy to move the drone from one place to another. Intelligent features can greatly enhance your drone flying experience. The Holy Stone HS440 drone optimizes user experience with automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation. It also includes intelligent functions such as emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold, making it ideal for beginners. The Ruko F11GIM2 drone emerges as the winner in this comparison. With its superior camera capabilities, longer flight time, and intelligent features, it's a great choice for drone enthusiasts. However, if portability is your top priority, both drones offer excellent options. Remember to consider your specific needs and preferences when making a purchasing decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thank you for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.